That's your funny dance? That's pretty funny.
Crash.
Crash?
Crash.
This is the. What's this dance called?
Mosh.
Beanie Mosh Rosh?
Yeah.
It's a good dance. Ow! I didn't realize there was kicking involved in it. I don't like that part.
I'm doing this.
Well, that kind of hurts.
I'm touching.
Whoa. Wait, does this dance also involve eating blueberries? No.
No.
Okay, I guess that's the end of the dance. Ah!
And again.
Yeah.
And the crack.
What? What's going on?